Oh no! Wow. Oh. Oh, okay. Where that park is, where that lady's doing her exercises. And then we're going to go over, I think, into where the temples are. Just going to have a look, I'm excited. So I'm just about to go through now. This is called Wat Khao Krailart. It's a holy place, so you've got to be really respectful. So I'm going to try and obviously not do anything stupid, you know me. This is the place. Apparently, there's meant to be a few monkeys up this one as well. I'm also going to try and have time to come down. So I'm leaving today to get back to Nonsbury, so I'm going to try and have time to come back down and see the other ones at the other forest. So as you come in, you come through a little narrow walkway like this. Told by one of the locals to keep your pocket zipped up, bag sealed, nothing that can be grabbed. I don't want to get robbed by a monkey. And no, I don't want to get my glasses robbed. Or my cap. Or this. Imagine the start running off with this and the footage you'll get running through the trees. I feel like I've been walking forever and found nothing, and then all of a sudden, I think I found something. Well, that's the climb. Oh, wow. Right, let's have a look here. Yeah, I'm going to try and stay quiet and respectful because this is where the monks are. And you never know them working, meditating. Getting ready for solar power. Oh wow, check this out. Wow. The pinnacle. Let's go down here and have a look at it first from these gardens. Oh, wow. We'll come back up to that in a minute. Let's go and have a look at this first. When you come down here, obviously this is where some of the monks, these are the sort of things I'm obsessed with, and the ancient symbolism as well. I presume this is where they gong when they've got to pray, worship, or some kind of sounding system. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. If you look, most everywhere, most civilizations and religions and things like that have got something to do with the pine cone on the heads. And I mean, also like in Hinduism, they have the dot there, that people have got the pineal gland, the third eye. Clearly, in ancient times, they knew a lot more about our consciousness and the brain work just from these images. It's just so overlooked, people just go, oh yeah, it's nice. But it's everywhere, clear as day, something that we're missing. Right, let's go and have a look at the pinnacle then, which is Golden Buddha. No monkeys yet. So, like I say, this one is absolutely free as well. And everything's located right by them two places I've shown you. Literally within, not even a mile. And it's free, just a 20-minute walk. Wear trainers, and if you're not good with climbing lots of stairs, I suggest you don't come. There ain't much wheelchair access. And now I'm going to quickly try and get some monkey footage by getting down to the bottom. I'm going to get on the back of a grab scooter and fly 1 kilometre up the road. And there's another area a bit like this, but more of a beach and mountain area where the monkeys are meant to be everywhere. So I've got to go in 2 hours, back to Nanthree, back to home. So I want to try and get some of them. It's 1 for myself, 2 for you guys. And I cannot see them when I've come here, so I'm going to go get some footage now. I'll see you shortly. I'm going to get a march on. Boom. We are here. I got dropped off at the just the start of the climbing part. Just I'm in a rush. I've got to get the taxi back and get to the airport, as you know. But yeah, so let's go and have an explore. Right. Walking up. As you can see, we're up from behind that cap. The view over the sea. So let's go and see if we can see some monkeys around here. Okay. I think some people, I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's like people living here or it's the cap or what, but. And there's enough. Just heard a monkey behind me somewhere and it's vanished. It's probably making a noise. I'm going to be about in a minute. But this place is beautiful now. Gift shop. Some lovely stuff. I've walked around the corner and there's loads of them. I'll give him one more. Ah. Oh, okay. He's helping himself, look. It's okay. Have some. They're nice. No. It's so funny. Still. Yeah. Here you go. They look for permission, yeah. Have you noticed? So watch. I'll try and give it the small one. And then he looks for permission off the big one. See? And he takes it. Wow. Okay, it's pecking order definitely. Last viewpoint before I set back off. Never seen so many monkeys. Right, I'm gonna get back down as fast as I can. Check the souvenir shop, get the grab, train station, Bangkok. So that's everything. Main thing is we've got that amazing monkey experience, which cost me 50 baht, but you haven't got to get that much. Just a donation to the monks. Get a bucket full, I end up giving some away and sharing it. Just gonna get this grab back now. I need a shower and I'm ready to I'm getting attacked. Ready to settle back into home in Nanthree. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, comment below and subscribe and all that, so I'm out of breath. It's a good old walk.